We're back at the Welling unit. This is our new location, coming along nicely. As you can see, it's a busy site today, so multiple vans and cars here, lots of tradesmen cracking on. So let's go inside and see what's happening. So to start with, we've got Adam here, new Latham security door gone in. So we work with Lathams on some side pedestrian doors for garages. So nice and secure, looks smart. Adam's just going to add the trim on and we'll show you the finished product another time as well. And inside, there is lots going on, so we've got multiple teams in here today. We've got CCTV going in, so multiple cameras inside and out. So we've got the team from DPP here helping secure the site. And here is the main man, Dom himself. So yeah, Dom's helping with a lot of the data cabling and CCTV, maybe some media wall stuff, so stay tuned, that's going to be coming soon as well. And then inside here, this is going to be our coffee shop for customers and staff canteen, and the team from Novus are flying through it. So we've got Martin and George building this wall. That's all going to be panelled nicely and a nice little sign to go on there, so that's coming along as well. And into the other side to see if we can find Mark. As you can see, it's still a work in progress, lots going on, but it's all starting to come together. We've also got the alarm system being finished off today. So we've got the team from Third Eye in the building, just getting us all secure. So yeah, new alarm system going in. And let's see if we can find Mark. He likes to hang around in the women's toilets. So let's see if he is in here. Yeah, we thought we'd find you in the women's toilets. Here he is. So yeah, Mark's just getting this all painted. We're looking to move in pretty soon, so obviously getting the toilets smartened up, keep the ladies happy. That's what Mark likes to do. So yeah, grey paint for a change, not black. And we have a delivery. So this is all the glass and mirrored doors for upstairs. So the team at Novus have had this custom made to fit all of the openings in the offices. So this is now all going up and the team are going to get them all fixed in place.
Mark was sent on a secret mission to get us something to put in the coffee shop. I said get a pallet of coffee, not a van full of pallets.
Oh, I'm sorry, I even got this as well. The pallet puller?
2 prongs are better than 1, clearly. Hey, are George.
I thought of you, see.
What, you thought of me? So you immediately thought pallets, Martin?
Yes.
Nice one.
Is that enough?
I just want the one right at the back.
Okay, hold on.
So we're getting all the pallets offloaded here and they're all being broken up into individual slats. We're not sure exactly what Martin's going to use these for in the coffee shop, but I'm sure he's got a great plan and you'll see it coming in one of our future videos. So we just come upstairs, we've got the team from Floor in Your Home. So this is our sister company, getting this first office done in LVT, Herringbone, so coming along nicely. We've started moving some stuff over. One of the most awkward things that we've got to move is this printer. So this is a DTF printer from our sister company, Custom Style. So for those of you who don't know, we've got another company doing printed workwear, Custom Style. So yeah, we've had to lift this out of the other unit. This is now going to get lifted up to the mezzanine and all programmed, ready to go. So this was a little bit sketchy. It's a very expensive printer. Luckily, this cage we had set up on the forklift made it a little bit easier. We've got it all lifted into position and time to get it set up so this room can be finished off and Custom Style can get back to printing the workwear. A little lift over that lip. So now the printer's all upstairs, time to move to the outside. We've got the team from AR Exterior Cleaning here, so good friends of ours. We're going to start cleaning the outside up because soon we're going to have all our branded signs going up. So they're just going to try and clean all of the walls up, get rid of all this green moss on the walls, and yeah, we'll show you what they're up to, but check them out, AR Exterior Cleaning. And while the guys are finishing up outside, let's go and see what Dom's been up to inside.
Hi there guys, Dominic from DPP Smart Home and Electrical. Today we're over at Garage Style, and today we've got all our audio cabling going in, all our network cabling going in, and all our security cabling going in. This is all going to form an umbilical cord and drop into our rack here. From here, everything will be distributed around the building, from music to security to internet and data that's going to be used on a daily basis. Big shout out to guys over at Webro for supplying us some of the very best cabling in the industry. So thank you very much, guys.
Right, so thanks for watching. It's been another hectic week. Stay tuned for next week's video where we've got a lot more projects happening, and we'll see you there.